Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today I'll be recording an impromptu video unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S24, which I just received an hour ago from FedEx. Now this will only be an unboxing since there are probably thousands of other videos right now that will do a better job reviewing the actual phone with better production value. Right now I'm literally trying to race for sunlight as it's going down. And the Canadian winters are pretty harsh on the hands, so excuse the oversized surgical gloves. Anyway, my S24 was pre-ordered through the Samsung Canada website, and today was the day that they were actually shipping out. I strategically got the green one because I thought it would be least popular and faster to process. Honestly, I don't really care about the color, since my case will just cover it entirely black. In fact, I don't even remember the original color of my S20. Samsung Canada uses FedEx and ships out in this discreet box. There's no reference of Samsung anywhere, which is good, since I heard there's a lot of people that like to order these as gifts and worried that people will discover it coming home from work. And I use the word gifts very loosely. Kind of messy, but I've seen worse. So here it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy S24 base model. On the bottom it says the model SM-S921W, the W denoting the Canadian model. It's Jade Green and 256 gigabytes of storage. So you may be asking why I didn't go for the Plus. It really just came down to the price. I actually just wanted it to record better video for you guys, and I had the opportunity of trading in my S8 for a little bit of a discount. Now the cameras are the same quality as in the Plus model, however, I am missing out on the slightly higher resolution and screen size. The battery capacity is also a bit less and can only fast charge at 25 watts maximum. This base model also only has 8 gigabytes of RAM, as opposed to the 12 gigabytes in the Plus. I also heard that the ultra-wideband tech isn't supported, which is kind of a bummer since I wanted to try it out with my Galaxy Smart Tags. But overall, I can pretty much live without the extra features since I'm not really a hardcore user. Now here must be the most satisfying part of the video. And out of the box, the battery level is at 64%. Now I also bought this simple rugged armor case by Spigen. Now don't be fooled here because it doesn't have a flip stand, though it looks like one. Feel free to watch the rest of the unboxing, as I also did buy a UGreen 30-watt charger, as well as a fast charge USB-C cord from UNIU. Leave a comment below, hit that like button, and if you like this content, consider subscribing to this humble YouTube channel. Alright, cheers guys!